When I came in for my initial consultation, it was around aesthetics. It was around brown spots and other aging, concerns, wrinkles, fine lines. And, in the past, I've also had some medical concerns with AKs and precancerous spots on my face. After the HALO TRIBRID treatment, I had friends notice immediately within the first 3 weeks. The first comment I've consistently gotten is that my face is glowing. I don't have to wear makeup at all. It actually even gave me the confidence that I don't have to wear a baseball hat to cover my face anymore. The HALO TRIBRID treatment, the end result of it, offset any type of downtime that I had, any type of uncomfort or swelling that I felt. The results were amazing.